twins in the back seat.
Are you gonna stay? I guess so. I guess he's staying. All right, bye.
Bye.
Alright, well, we came down to the hot springs. Like I said, there are people there. I can't seem to find a time when there's no one there. I guess if I come early in the morning. But, so I'm not going to film down there because people obviously want their privacy when they're at hot springs. But they do have bathrooms here. I can show you a few things. There's a restroom. Yeah, there's the restroom if you need to change or do anything like that. And here are the pool area rules. And the pool is fenced in with a chain link fence, so this all applies for just in there. And the curfew from midnight to 5 a.m. No food, no beverages, no pets, no use of soap. What you doing, Moo-moo? So right there you can probably see some water. This is the runoff, so I can probably show you that. The actual hot springs and fenced-in areas right there. Who's the moo-moo? Who's the moo-moo? So there's no swimming and use of soap is prohibited. Please help prevent damage to the pond. This is the pond right here. It's like a desert oasis is what it reminds me of. Look at all the huge palm trees. So here's a shot of the pond, some of it anyways. Look how densely packed these palm trees are. A long time ago, this would definitely be considered a desert oasis. Yeah, the palms are just so thick, sometimes it's hard to even see the water, but you can see it through there. Looks like they've even cut some back. So here's one of the entrances to the pond. It's not a huge pond, but look at that, isn't that beautiful? Absolutely amazing. An oasis in the desert. And if you look right here, this is the runoff from the pools. And it just feeds into the pond right here. So even on this side, you can see how dense the palms are. They just reach into the water. That is absolutely beautiful. Look, you can even see little fishies in the pond. Oh, there's a big one that went that way. Huh. Since there's trees here, I'll go ahead and show this part, but you can see a chain link fence right through the trees. That's where the pools are. It's only 2 small pools, and then they also have a warm sprinkler shower that feeds from the pools, and it just shoots up and people just stand there. It's really awesome. If you ever get a chance to visit, you definitely should visit. But like I said, it's busy almost all the time. Once again, there's no swimming in this pond, but there is a path that leads all the way around. And it goes to the other side of the pools, and the pools are on this side. On this side of the pond, there's another runoff right here. It's just a little tiny stream, and it goes into the bushes. Come on, Moo-moo. Good girl. So we're on the other side of the pond, and way over there is where we were. So like I was saying, this hot springs is right by the 8. It's exit 131 on 8. And yes, this is California. So like I said, I'm sorry I can't show you the actual pools. They're pretty small pools. There's 2 of them. There's a baby one that's not too deep, and then there's a deeper one. But they're both pretty small, and it gets kind of tight up in there when a few people get in there. But like I said, I just wanted to respect people's privacy. So too bad this isn't the hot springs, because that is huge and would be awesome. Well, that's a pretty cool rig. And also the hot springs are located on BLM, and there is the long-term visitor right across the road. So we came up to pick up Seal because she was meeting us here. We actually have to go pick up a fire permit because they said that it's just required. So we're gonna go grab one of those really quick at the long-term here, and then grab her and then head back to base camp. So this is the Hot Springs LTVA, that's long-term visitor area. U.S. Department of Interior, here's some stuff about staying here. It says welcome and some information if you want to pause and read.
It takes me a couple months to get it switched over. You gotta put 519, remember?
519.
Cool. We're actually going to be headed to the RTR, so we probably won't be here that long.
There you go.
Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
It's going to be probably most level.
Yeah, just find a spot. It should be fun.
It was Milledgeville, Georgia was the first middle institution opened after the Civil War.
Okay.
And they took in, they mostly took in, you know, veterans who'd been shell shocked and stuff like that. And so, and orphans and stuff from the war. And then later they turned it into a mental institution. And the state of it's still open. It's still a mental institution.
Oh, to this day, huh?
And
Okay.
and so she's, what was it? Her husband left her when she was 17 and she had a nervous breakdown, and she spent about 15 years in that mental institution because she just.
What's the town's name?
Milledgeville.
Milledgeville? Right.
Right. So I wrote this song for her.
Okay.
I know it's such a talk, Lord, didn't cry out loud. 'Cause I couldn't love you anymore. Yeah, we couldn't love you anymore. They couldn't love you anymore. And I couldn't love you any more than I do.
Good job. What was the name of that song?
Milledgeville.
And what's your name?
Tom?
Cool. Thank you. That was awesome.
Beautiful.